run.
You getting out?
I get out and get in again and read on the other side.
Easy in it now. Who do you see?
Samuel,
Let me see. I see you have it now.
That there helps you open it. Daddy, can Samuel drive on?
Mm-hmm.
There's right behind him. There's a leaf in it. Yeah, that's because they keep driving into trees. And I had to get the one off. Samuel, come here. Look. I had to get one off here. Here. What's that warning say? Daddy, wait. Daddy, are you finished?
You gotta go.
Samuel, wait. I tried to read the warning sign.
Go on, away you go.
Why did that break?
That's a mirror there. You must have met one. Right, Lucy, watch there.
Daddy, did the warning stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Can I drive?
Go.